Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be about Shopify and YouTube joining forces, where you will now be able to showcase your products from your Shopify store through like YouTube live streams and like on your YouTube channel in general. So I think this is going to be a great advancement for a lot of content creators. I know that it is something that I'm looking forward to using. So if you are interested in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So I got this email, and it was a Shopify affiliate email, and they went over a few different updates and changes with Shopify. However, this one stood out to me the most. So it says upload your store to YouTube, pin products next to your videos so followers can like, subscribe, and buy. And all you have to do is install the Google app that is located inside of your Shopify store. Now, they do explain how it works. So to get started with YouTube shopping, number one, install the Google channel in the Shopify app store. I did log into the mobile version of my Shopify store, and if you haven't logged into yours in a while, it may look a little bit different when you're looking for the apps. The app store is now at the very bottom, and it's not as easy to find, in my opinion, as it was before. But nevertheless, you can still find it. So you'll just go to the App Store and install the Google channel. In the YouTube shopping section of the Google channel, connect your YouTube account. Number three, choose which products to feature for YouTube shopping. And then you can go ahead, number four, add products to your videos from monetization and then shopping. As you can see on the screen, it does mention a 14-day free trial. So if you are someone that is contemplating switching over to Shopify or getting started with Shopify, I definitely would encourage you all to try out the trial. I do have a link below where you can do that. Click the link and go ahead and sign up for the trial. So right here is a example of how this can work. So as you see, there's like a video of someone explaining or showcasing a product, and then it's their live chat under their YouTube video. And she's able to go ahead and have that product available for purchase in the live chat. Now, I am not someone that really uses, I'm not going to say I don't use live chat. I've never used live chat on my YouTube platform. But I can say that this would be a great idea, especially for those content creators that do use live chat to showcase your products and also increase your revenue by not just talking about your products, but actually having, a link in the live chat where they can click on. Now, this is going to be a little bit of a different experience than just having your link down below, like in the description, because it gives people an option to kind of to see what they're purchasing. So it shows, just like the prior example, a picture of the product, and they have the option to go ahead, click on it, and purchase. You can also manage your sales in Shopify, which I think is amazing. So if you add another shopping outlet, you don't have to worry about keeping track of all the different outlets that your store is on. Shopify is still the main source to help you manage your sales. So if you do get a sale from your YouTube live chat, for example, you can keep track of all of that through your Shopify store, which is very useful. I talk a lot in my videos about how useful the Shopify analytics portion of the e-commerce platform is amazing, and it truly is. So at the top of the screen, just a moment ago, I showed you what the app looks like when you go to the App Store, and it goes over additional information as far as what the app has to offer. They also have different examples of how the campaigns can look if you decide to go ahead and download that Google app and create different campaigns for products. Now, not only do you have the ability to now connect your Shopify to your YouTube platform, but now, and I think this has been available since Shopify, I mean, as long as I've had Shopify, you can create different campaigns that will show up on Google. So if you're wanting to advertise on Google, this is something that you can do through that app as well. Here's just another picture example. It was a little hard for me to zoom in, so I apologize for that. I tried to zoom in as much as I could, and it was still a little blurry. So here's more information about the app. List products for free on Google. Run paid smart shopping campaigns to promote products across Google. What else? Businesses new to advertising with Google can earn up to $500 in ad credit. Will match your spending on smart shopping campaigns up to $500 within the first 60 days. Credits earned can take up to 5 days to be applied to you. And then these are just kind of like FAQs, just questions that may be common or that you may have yourself. And they go over the answers. What does a smart shopping campaign cost? You set your own daily budget. You only pay if someone clicks on your ad. I have had experience using Google Ads for my business. I actually have a video on this channel in regards to how it went for me. So if you are interested after this video, you can type in Brittney Bundles, Google Ads, and those videos. I think I made a few videos in regarding that, but those ads, those videos should pop up. I'm scrolling down so that you can see the ratings. Not all of the ratings are 5-star, but I didn't really dive into it to see what the reviews were going over. So if you're wanting to know the price of the app is free. And, one thing that I think is really beneficial to a lot of different entrepreneurs is finding ways to connect your products to your platforms, finding ways to promote like your products on Facebook, finding ways to better promote your products on Twitter, on Instagram. And so the fact that they're integrating the two and giving us an option to make more money from YouTube in our Shopify store, I think it's truly amazing. Again, if you are wanting to try out Shopify, there is a 14-day free trial. If you're watching this video at a later time, I don't know if the trial is still going to be going on. So like if you're watching this video months and months from now or a year from now, I don't know if that trial will still be applicable. However, Shopify always does a really good job with allowing people to test out their platform, and they do a great job with offering free trials and things like that. So again, feel free to click the link down below, the Shopify link, and go ahead and sign up and see if this is something that you want to use for, your business. I don't know personally if I'm going to, I think I am going to download the app and kind of play around with it to see how else I can maximize that opportunity. I don't foresee myself doing live streams, but I do see myself being able to create a video and somehow have that link or something, in the video, if that's possible. I didn't really dive too deep into this. It was just like a brief overview. So I'll take a further look at that at a later time. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.